So
I really like the ways that you're setting up the guidelines as appreciative guidelines. You're welcoming people to do the things that you need them to do. You're thanking them. It's very, it feels very full of dignity. So it's nice.
wonderful.
That's our Linda.
I'm so thankful for that, because, you know, I think it's really kind of amazing that it's such an interactive workshop. We really do depend on people to play their role throughout the workshop, whether it's turning on their cameras or turning off their cameras. Yeah. That's the whole group. It takes a village. None of us as smart as all of us. All of us are contributing something important, and it's really wonderful to have such a great group to work with, because even if you make a mistake, you know that you won't be humiliated.
Right. Yeah. Yeah, you embody the message. I mean, the process embodies the thinking behind it, which is so beautiful.
How have you been, Lyndon?
Good, thank you. I've been really crazy busy, but it's all good. It's all good. Yeah. Thank you.
Well, I think we're about 1 minute, and then these rooms are going to close and people will be coming back. And then we'll take our picture, and then we will introduce Michael Britton. And I'm going to get his video ready right now.
Okay.
Very
Operating on multiple screens, Linda.
Oh, I should show you my control booth, which I must say feels a little bit out of control sometimes. But yes, it really helps to have a second account so I can see what I see. Because I saw, you know, this morning, Evelyn, I noticed they had the black box popped up. I had to move it, and there you go. Things like that you don't know until you actually get in the room.
Yeah. Multiple
screens.
Well, I will say the one change from last year is that Charlie is not able to join us because he's in school now, which is a good thing. It's fantastic to have him back in person school. Yeah. But that's the one. I remember when I think he popped in for the picture last year.
Okay, I'm going to give everybody the signal that the rooms are closing in a minute. So we have about a minute before people start coming back, and here they start coming back.
Where are you, Danielle?
I'm in Brooklyn.
Brooklyn, okay. Yeah, I'm in North Carolina.
Okay. Yeah.
Wonderful. Everyone that's back in the room, if you want to rename yourself, add to your location to your name. That's kind of fun to see where people are from. So if you know how to rename yourself, go ahead and add your location to your name. And guess what? You get to keep on your cameras right now. We're going to try to take a group picture. We would love to get a group picture, especially with Danielle, our host. I'm going to make sure we put you in this. I think that'll work. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back. I'm going to close our breakout rooms, and we'll wait till everybody has a chance to get back. You get to turn on your cameras, believe it or not. We're going to hope that we don't crash our system, which I think will be okay. You get to turn on your cameras and look as nice as you'd like. And those of you that don't want a picture taken, it's all right. You can leave your cameras off. But we want to get a picture with all of you and with our host, Danielle Coon, just as proof of life to share with their community. So everybody's got their cameras on that they want to have on. And Anna, are you in the room, I hope, still? If Anna's not in the room, Evelyn?
I am here. I am here.
Where are you, Anna?
Linda, it says the host has blocked me.
Who is this?
Becky.
Becky.
But I know somebody else in my group that was true for too.
Okay, so that
was Olav Ofstad.
There, now I go.
Okay, we'll give everybody a chance to turn on their cameras. There's Michael Perlin. There's Beth Boynton. Howard Richards. Hi, Howard. Hi, Becky.
Hi.
Hi, Gershon. Hi, Peter.
Hi, Ariel. Can you kindly turn on your camera too? Ariel Lublin and Howard Richards. Those are the cameras.
prefer not, thanks. Sorry.
Problem.
Okay, no worries.
No problem. Oh, Dave, no, don't unmute. There we go. There we go. You can keep your mute on. Howard, you're looking good. Oh, welcome, welcome. Becky, it's great to see you. Lucian, Lou, it's great to see you. How wonderful. So what do you think? We're going to actually take a picture with everybody's cameras on.
Howard, can you kindly turn your camera back on if you wish to be in the photo, and we will begin shortly.
See, I'm not a dignity gardener. I don't think I should.
Oh, Howard, you've had a lifetime of being a Digna gardener.
Okay, well, I'll turn myself on then. Okay.
Thank you. We so appreciate it. You're a lifetime achiever.
All right. Do you think we're ready, Anna?
I think we're ready. So I'm going to be taking a bunch of screenshots. So I would love Linda to give some direction so we can get some joyful shots together. And I'll be taking the pictures as she speaks.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Maybe we can crack a joke so that we all will have a, kind of photograph.
Okay. You have a joke, Vanita?
No, I don't have a joke. Maybe my face appears like a joke. So you all can look at my face and automatically a smile will come.
That's pretty good. Smile right there. That's pretty funny. Let's take a picture. And now let's practice our reaction icons. Let's do some more. Oh, how about a round of applause, everyone? So we can get us in action. Put up your icons. They don't last very long. So you have to kind of click up and then do the round of applause. All right, now let's try the thumbs up, everyone. Just to let people know we're on the right track. Thumbs up is a good sign. Okay, and now a heart. You can do the heart. Always put the heart on front of your chest, not your face. Heart. There, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. What an incredible group we have. And you're so helpful. People don't realize how interactive our workshops are, but we really count on your contribution throughout this workshop to keep going. Should we do one big round of applause, smile, or funny, happy face that you want to do, whatever you want to do? Let's do one more. 1, 2, 3. Nice, so nice. Anna, is that okay? Do we pass?
How about if everyone on the count of 3 says dignity? 1, 2, 3. Dignity.
Dignity.
Okay, how about on the count of 3 say peace? 1, 2, 3. Peace. And then can everyone give me their silliest face? 1, 2, 3.
I have a joke.
And their largest smile. 1, 2, 3. And one more universal gesture of love, whatever that means to you. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I like that. Let's do that again. Any gesture on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, everyone. I feel good about these pictures.
Who has a joke?
Oh, yeah. If someone wants to tell a joke, I would love to take a picture.
I have a joke.
Who is that?
Peter. A duck walks into a bar and says, "Give me a whiskey and put it on my bill."
Oh, no, Peter.
Oh.
Bird joke. I'm a big birder, Peter, but that joke, oh my gosh, that's funny. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.
Applause for Anna. She is the best photographer we have ever have, Anna. Thank you so much. Give her applause, give her some love. And all of you are now going to turn off your cameras again, turn off your microphones. Thank you so much for your help with this part of the program, because we're looking forward to our opening talk